Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your account in Plus500. And it's seriously not that difficult, so I will show you as quick as possible how we can do this. So let's say we are here in Plus500 and I'm using right now a demo account. That is why you see right here standing 40 grand. I don't have 40 grand, I'm not that rich, but this is my demo account. So the first thing that we're going to do is we go to the three lines left in the top and click on switch to real money. Then right now you can immediately see it right here because here's a massive button with verify account. So we click right here on verify account and then we do let's go. And then right now we need to fill in a lot of information. So let's do the first step, for example, Netherlands, euro is fine. Then we go further and you see right here a nice bar that you need to fill, and then in the end, you verified your account. So now they will ask you a lot of questions, need some information. You need to give them answer. They do also a test to check if your knowledge, at the right level to start trading. So make sure that you complete this bar right here. And then after this, you verified your account. So if you have any questions about verifying your account, let me know it in the comments. This was the video for now, because from here you know exactly what you need to do. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.